People Locator skip tracing helps creditors, debt collectors, and attorneys understand the debt collection statute of limitations in Washington, D.C., and locate debtors before that window closes. The statute of limitations on debt is the legal deadline after which a creditor can no longer file a lawsuit to collect. In Washington, D.C., the key limitation periods are written contracts, 3 years. This covers most commercial agreements, leases, and service contracts where the terms are set out in a signed document. Open accounts/credit cards, 3 years. Credit card debt and revolving credit accounts are typically classified as open accounts with this limitation period. Oral contracts, 3 years. Verbal agreements and handshake deals are subject to this shorter period in most cases. Promissory notes, 3 years. Formal written promises to pay, including personal loans documented with a note, carry this limitation period in Washington, D.C. The clock typically starts on the date of last activity, usually the date of last payment or last charge on the account. In Washington, D.C., the period begins running from that date. Certain actions by the debtor, a partial payment, a written acknowledgement of the debt, or a new promise to pay, may restart the clock in some circumstances. Critically, the statute of limitations affects the right to sue, not the underlying debt. The debt still exists after the limitations period expires. However, a debtor may raise the expired statute as a complete defense to any lawsuit filed after that date. For creditors approaching the limitations deadline, time is the enemy. Our skip tracing investigations locate debtors before the window closes, providing current address, current employer, and asset information needed to file and serve a lawsuit or to initiate wage garnishment, bank levy, or property lien as permitted under Washington, D.C. law. Every order is handled by professionals with over 2 decades of skip tracing experience serving attorneys, debt collectors, and judgment creditors throughout Washington, D.C. People Locator skip tracing has been the professional choice for skip tracing since 2004. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your Washington, D.C. skip tracing order. Results within 24 hours or less.